Now look at some important properties of alcohols. We had learned about hydrogen bonding earlier in class 11, which meant that the hydrogen atom attaches itself to electronegative atom, and that electronegative atom should be of small size. So we are looking at alcohols where alcohols are soluble in water because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now ROH is the alcohol, CH3OH, C2H5OH. It can combine with O of water. So hydrogen atom of the alcohol, oxygen atom of water. Similarly on this side with dotted lines we've shown hydrogen bonding. So weak hydrogen bonding can be taking place between alcohol and water, and that is why alcohols are soluble in water. Similarly, they have higher boiling points because they become associated molecules. Associated molecules. Because they can have hydrogen bonding between themselves. ROH, ROH. There is hydrogen atom here, there is oxygen atom here. So both of them form a weak hydrogen bonding, associating the molecules together, so boiling point increases. Primary alcohols have higher than secondary have tertiary. So boiling points are increased due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now understand this part clearly. This is relative acidic strength. Primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary because alcohols are acidic because they can give out hydrogen ion. So since they can give out hydrogen ion, they are acidic. But if they contain CH3 group on them, CH3 group, I have told you before, is an electron giving group, causing plus I effect. Hydrogen atom is positive. If electrons are coming from here which are negatively charged, hydrogen atom starts getting attached on that side, attracted on that side. So there is difficulty in coming out. So although H plus ions will come out, but since CH3 is present, its acidic nature becomes slightly less due to CH3 group. If I compare it with water, water is HOH. Water also has OH in it. H plus ions come out, H ions and OH minus ions. But since there is no CH3 group here, I'll say water is more acidic than alcohol. So alcohol contains CH3 group which causes plus I effect, and release of H plus ion becomes less because electrons are getting towards the hydrogen atom. In a secondary alcohol, there are two alkyl groups. Both of them are giving electrons to this carbon atom which are moving towards this hydrogen atom. So again release of this hydrogen atom becomes more difficult. In tertiary alcohol it is even more difficult because from three side alkyl groups are giving electrons to this. That is why primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. I'll say water is greater than primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So you will be asked the reason why they are in this way. You'll explain with the help of plus I effect, more plus I effect, maximum plus I effect here, which is reducing the acidic strength because release of H plus ion is difficult. So you'll say here release of H plus ion becomes difficult.